Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2017 F-150. A Ford F-150 knows how to handle any situation. It's built to follow orders, no whining. This vehicle has less than 70,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: Bedliner, traction control, daytime running lights, headlights auto off, backup camera, power steering, cloth seats, tilt steering wheel, AM/FM stereo radio, CD player. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee.